Hi, everybody. Okay, so I am now in Northern California, in Folsom, California, near Sacramento, and my best friends. We've been friends for 15 years, and her husband and my husband, we were all just dear, dear friends. And many of you know my husband passed away about 5 months ago. So kind of bittersweet to be here without him, but these are precious friends. And tonight I'm in charge of dinner. I'm cooking dinner tonight, and so I made it's fish with a panko crust covering. But I want to show you guys because it's on a bed of red pepper, green pepper, and cherry tomatoes and leeks. And what I love about it is these little leek rings, they get all crispy because you're cooking it at 375, and it's so good. And the topping is, some of it is not great, but it really makes a difference. It's crushed potato chips, and it makes it. I tell you, for a little that you have, I do it. And then it's got panko breadcrumbs, and it has a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of paprika, and a couple tablespoons of butter. And so you cook it at 375 for about a half an hour, and it's so good. So you can use any white fillet fish. This is wild, sustainably raised tilapia. So I don't buy tilapia that's not sustainably raised and clean. But this is tilapia. You could use any kind of white fish. Sometimes I use flounder. Flounder's a little thinner, and so it takes a little bit less time to cook, maybe 20 minutes. This will take about 30 minutes to cook. But it's laying on the bed of those vegetables, and it gets kind of juicy and so good. And then I make my, this is called Chris's brown rice. I don't know when I started doing this, a long time ago. You cook the brown rice, and it's sauteed celery, green onions, and slivered almonds in here. And you put the cooked brown rice in here, saute the green onions and the almonds and the celery, and then you put the rice in here and put a little soy sauce on here. It's super, super fast and super easy. Everybody always loves this brown rice. And so that's really easy to make. That was 1 cup of rice. So it really makes a lot when you add in the celery and the onions and all that kind of stuff. So we're doing that and some green beans, and that's our dinner tonight. So anyway, I just want to jump on and show you the fish because I think this is super, super good, easy, fast, and loaded with color. And I just love color. All right, you guys, have a great evening. Bye.
And if you want more tips like this, make sure and follow me on Divine Farmer Health.